Well, SnapPads showed up today, so we'll have to get those out of the box and get them installed. Okay, we got them out of the box, and it even comes with instructions, but you'll see that you really don't need to know too much. All you got to do, put a little Dawn. Oh. Just put a little bit of Dawn on around the lip here, so it helps it slide in. They say to use Dawn soap versus don't use WD-40 because it has chemicals in it. But these SnapPads, we had them on our last rig for 4 years. Never had a problem. They're always permanent. So you get your Dawn on there, and then you start bringing the level down. I've got Brenda in here filming for me.
Yeah, we absolutely love these SnapPads. Get it down close to it, line it up. And it just snaps right in. Go ahead.
Okay, it's all in, and these things work great. They don't, if you're on concrete, they don't slide, they don't do anything. But you don't have to crawl under and stick plastic under your levelers anymore. You've got them for fifth wheel trailers, pull behind trailers, motorhomes. The best investment we ever have done. So if you're thinking of some, you can check the link below in the comments, and that'll link you right to them. Well, we got them all done. It took us about 15 minutes. I've got electric jacks, and so they're slower than I'll get out. Before I had hydraulics, were a lot faster. So most of the time we were just waiting for the jacks to do their thing. But they're all on now, so I'm happy with them. And if you'd like them, it's the best thing I've ever done to the trailer. They work great. Thanks for watching. Well, today's about 100 degrees, so it wasn't the best day to be doing this, but we got them done. We're going to take off next week.